Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful Wednesday morning. We're having some sun and some clouds. Um, my body feel like we're gonna get some rain, but listen, I'm gonna harvest these radish because I'm looking for something to eat this morning. It's something about coming out to my garden and harvesting some fresh vegetables. It's really good. So, if you saw my last video, I harvest these radish, I season them up really well, and I roast them, and they were really good. So, I decided I was going to come out and harvest radish for breakfast this morning, and I'm going to do it the same way. Yeah, they were really good. So I'm going to enjoy that this morning. So I haven't been out in my garden as much as I usually be, of course, because of the weather. I ain't down with all this cold weather. But today it's not so bad, and I see that I have a lot of dead or dying leaves on many of my plants. The leaves at the bottom of the plant, so I need to get them up. So before I can get everything together, I'm going to clean these vegetables and I'm going to prepare them and enjoy them. And then I'm going to come out and I'm going to spend some time in my garden. Let's go. All right, let's do a blossom check or rack check this morning. This is number one. It's a new baby that came up, right? That's one. And this fat baby, that is number two. So I'm looking for some of them to be ripe, at least turning yellow this morning. It's been so cold, right? This is number three. She's been here a while. That's one of, oh no, they didn't get that blossom. It's still there. But that is number three. This is three. You can see it. It's right there. Yeah. All right, let's move on. And look at this. All the big petals on the ground. That's when you know. That's when you know. That was three, right? Yeah, I'm looking at this plant here, but we'll see. Whoa, let go. That's number four. She should be turning yellow soon. Soon. That's number four. Yeah. They got a blossom. That's four. This is five and six. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Now they are turning yellow. This is five and this is six. Yeah. I think I'm counting right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's it. That's six. Right? So this is another one. She's new. She's new too. There she is. She's way up there, y'all. That's number 7. She's really fat. 7. All right, let me go around to the other side. So this is number 8. That's her right there. Y'all see her? That's number 8. Yeah, they took her blossom. Wow. That's number 8. Usually when I'm doing these counts, I usually find a new blossom coming. But let's see, we was at 8, right? All right. That's 9. That's number 9. Now, you see this plant here? You probably can't see because of that. Let's see if I can get on this side. You see that right there? It looks like we're gonna have a blossom come from this plant. Yeah, but we'll see. But that's 9. And this, see her blossom? Yeah. This is number 10. They're up in there. Let's see if we can find. There it goes. It's number 10. She's in there. Yeah. That's number 10. The weather have many of the leaves yellowing and brown, but she will drop them and they will be fine. Yeah. So this morning I am cleaning up bad leaves that is at the bottom of the plants. Like this. It's turning yellow and brown. Plants and trees are just so different. And I learn so much about them every day just by being out here with them. So the first thing is that a plant would try to save a leaf. Of course, that plant needs that leaf for photosynthesis, right? And all the other great benefits to that plant that leaves provides. But that plant would try to save that leaf, even if it cost her life, right? But check this out. So this is my fig tree. You don't see a lot of leaves because Ben just cut the grass. But a tree, if the leaves would turn brown or yellow, they don't try to save those leaves. They will push them off. They will make a layer between the leaf and the stem to push that leaf off of them. They're not saving it. They say, you gotta go, baby. You don't want to live? Good. Get out of here. So this weather is really beating up my little, well, it's not little, but my pepper plant. Even though she's still putting on flowers and putting on fruits, I'm going to harvest about 4 of these peppers because I want to eat them today. Yeah, I'm going to harvest 4 and I'm going to cook them this morning with my radish. Yeah. So they have been producing very well. And I said I was just going to let them stay. As long as they produce, I was going to let them stay. So they still producing, and so they got a home, baby. They got a home. They got a home in my garden. So I'm just filling up my pockets, y'all. I didn't bring nothing out here. That's, it's just something. But I think I have 4, but let's see if there's another fat one. I get it. This one looks pretty good. But let's see. There's a lot of them on here, I tell you. But we'll get this one. We'll get it. Let's see if I can. There we go. All right. So, let's move on, y'all. So, this is my cabbage that I found out who she was. And look how she is. She's all over this pepper plant. But I'm going to let him stay. But, yeah, I have some yellowing leaves under here. And I'm going to get that off for her. And, there we go. Let's see, let me make sure I got it. Okay, I got it. And she have nice, big, healthy leaves. They are really nice. And there's another one right there. She is nice and healthy too. And that one is in a Katrina break. This one is in a garden, a raised bed. That's all. But anyway, let's move on, y'all. So on this bed, I got a lot of the leaves off, the bad leaves. I'm gonna put them in the super juice and we're gonna let them grow. So this is a container where I dropped spinach in. It was back in July. So I've eaten a lot of the spinach and I thought it was all gone. But as you can see, we still have a couple of plants. They don't look the best, but we could work on that. But I also noticed this plant came up. So when you're growing a lot of vegetables and dropping a lot of seeds, you will have many volunteers just coming up everywhere. Yeah. And this plant, yeah, it's mulling. Yeah. So I welcome her. You can stay, Mama. You can stay. Yeah. So this is what the weather have done to my white potatoes. Now, I have harvested some of these potatoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them stay for a little bit just to see what will happen. I'm going to just pull off some of the worst of the leaves because sometimes what will happen is they will come back and like some of these leaves are not dead like this one. They're not dead. So I'm gonna just pull off the ones that I know is dead and they don't have a chance of coming back. And basically, I'm just gonna wait a little while and see. And if they don't come back, well, in time, I'm going to just harvest. I'm going to harvest the potatoes. One thing I do know, we got potatoes in there. I've eaten some, and they really was good. Matter of fact, it makes me want to get at least 10. I don't know. That's my number. Get 10, baby. Get 10. But we'll see. I'm going to wait. All right, y'all. All right, so these are my peppers I just harvested. I have some vinegar and baking soda in here with them and my breakfast radish. Yeah. So I'm going to let them sit here for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to chop them up, put them in that roast. We're going to roast that thing. Yeah. All right, family.